Hey loves, in today's video I am taking you on a tour of my Valentine's Day themed makeup station. It is really festive with lots of red and pink hearts, roses, and sweet treats. Starting off with the signs I have. This one over here is from Dollar Tree and it says follow your heart, and it has this really pretty ombre to it. And over here I have this love flower from the 99-cent store, and I really like the glittery lipstick kiss prints. Alright, now we're going to move over here. This is my DIY Valentine's Day light up floral arrangement. I do have a video showing how I created this. It was really easy and fun to do. It has these sparkly heart picks with rose heart lollipops, and these pink roses light up. In the first compartment, I have my eyeliners and mascaras. These two are by Nicka K. They are the eye pencils in black and brown. I have two liquid liners. I have the Nicka K Microfine Art Liner and the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. Lastly, I have two mascaras. I have the AOA Studio Fat Lash and the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. Next to that, I have three AOA Studio Lip Pop Glosses in City Girl, Daredevil, and Celeb. And on the other side of that, I have two pairs of lashes. I have the Miss 3D Makeup Glam Lash in MG07 and the I Envy 3D Collection Lash in the style number 14. Moving over here, I have my little spray bottle, my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in shade 338 Spicy Brown. I have this Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and this was a free sample from either Macy's or Sephora. The LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer in Gold Dust. Then down here I have my favorite setting powder. This is from AOA Studio. It is their perfect setting powder, and this one is brightening. Then down here I just have my tweezers and my sharpener. To the right of that, I have three of my favorite lipsticks. Up top I have the Nicka K Lip Colors. Then I have the LA Colors matte lipsticks. These are amazing. And down here I have the Maybelline Color Jolts. I found those at the 99-cent store. In this first drawer I have eyeshadows. I have the LA Colors Rose Palette. I have this single shadow by Amuse Cosmetics. I have my In Studio Cosmetics single shadows, and then I have four liquid shadows by LA Colors. In the drawer beneath that, I have a lot of my highlighters and my favorite blush. It is Mellow Wine by Wet n Wild. It is a really pretty peachy toned everyday blush. I got this giant light pink pom-pom purse charm from Dee Dee's. Let me back this up so you can see just how big this is. This thing is huge. My dad pointed it out to me because he knows I like putting charms on my purses, and I was like, that is so cute. At the moment, I don't have a purse big enough to put this on, but it is really pretty and it makes nice decor on my vanity. I purchased this unicorn tin from Dollar Tree. It's a nice size. Inside I have my cosmetic Q-tips. Behind it, right here, I have this little Tootsie Roll bank that I got from Dollar Tree as well. And hold on. Beneath the Tootsie Roll bank, I have this really pretty little flower pail from the 99-cent store. And inside, I have these mini carnival heart lollipops that I also found at the 99-cent store. In the middle of my vanity, I have my LED mirror. And around it, I have these really pretty crystal lights that I found at Family Dollar. And right here in front of my mirror, I have this XOXO sign from the 99-cent store. I purchased this light from Amazon several years ago, and I actually hauled it on the channel. I don't remember exactly how much it was. If I can find it, there will be a link in the description. It has 3 settings. So you just tap the button right here, and you hold it down to gradually increase the brightness. It's a nice little mirror. It takes 4 AAA batteries. It takes 4 AA batteries. Right in front of my center set of drawers, I have this red heart bowl with these yummy gummy marshmallow candies that I got from the Family Dollar. In this first drawer right here, I have a pair of lashes, the Miss 3D Volume Lash in M218, and my favorite eyelash glue, the INV Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. Next to it, I have my Magic Collection glitter eyeliners. Down here, I have my mini Real Techniques makeup brushes. These come out every year around Christmas, and they're always $5. Then down here, I have a ColourPop single shadow in White Rabbit. This is so pretty. It's my favorite one. I have my Magic Collection eyebrow gel in dark brown. I have the Kat Von D setting powder in translucent. This came with the Trooper liquid eyeliner in my birthday gift from Sephora. I have an LA Colors contour stick. It's a shimmery stick. I like to highlight my brow bone with this. It's really pretty. I have the Nicka K liquid lipstick in Matrix. That's a really pretty nude. My LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I have a Bite Beauty matte cream lip crayon in Glacé. I love this one. All right, and then my NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. This is really good to make DIY eyeliners with. You need very little, and you just mix your pigment in with it, and you can apply it as an eyeliner. Next to that, I have an In Studio Cosmetics lip gloss in Warm Glow. That's a really pretty gloss. Over here, I have Rimmel London shadows, and I really like the packaging on these. So this one is Metal On. Beneath that, I have Dip in Gold. I like the shape of these two. They kind of look like flower petals. And the last one is Copper Rocket. To the left of my mirror, I have this little block rose. I got it from the 99-cent store, and it is also available in pink. I have more candy. This jar is also from the 99-cent store, and it is full of mini cherry flavored lollipops. Up here, I have this cute red container that came in a pack of, that came in a pack of 2 from Family Dollar, and I love this trim. And I glued one of these heart picks over here up top, and this is full of cherry flavored Lifesavers. Over here to the left, I have these 2 glasses that I found at the Dollar Tree, and the table scatter in the bottom is from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. In the left one, I have a few of my makeup brushes, and to the right of that, I have this DIY mirror that I made, and I have a video of it up on my channel. And in front of my mirror, I have my cute little pink scissors. And in the middle of those, I have an icy hand sanitizer because doing my makeup can get kind of messy, especially if I'm swatching stuff. This smells really good, and it came in a pack of 2 from Dollar General. Down here, I have a few of my favorite palettes in this red Love You bucket that I found at Dollar Tree. I purchased these heart containers from the 99-cent store. They come in a pack of 10 and all 3 colors are available in one pack. I found the pearlized rose stickers at Dollar General in a pack of 15 for $1. I had so much fun decorating my makeup space and putting this whole theme together. It came out perfectly. Have you decorated your vanity or area where you get ready for Valentine's Day? Let me know in a comment down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by, and until next time, bye loves!